Hey my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be, or I am going to be showing you two easy hairstyles that you can do to take to uni. Two quick easy uni hairstyles that you can do with twists, especially when your mini twists are old. So excuse my hair and my edges, and it's looking very rough, but there's a reason for this video. So onto the voiceover.
So I'm just going to quickly show you guys the equipment, tools, the tools I'm going to be using to do both the hairstyles I'm going to show you guys. So the first one is the bobby pin that I have. I don't know what you call this particular bobby pin, but it's the way that it's created. Obviously it's separate so that you can do hairstyles with it. But anyway, yeah, this is the bobby pin I'm going to be using. I find it a lot easier to be able to actually hold the styles together. I'm trying to let it focus now. It's the camera's struggling to pick it up, but you get the idea of what it looks like. And this is the two different sizes that I have for the bobby pins. And my bandana, that's what I'm going to be using to cover my kind of wrap around, like an accessory, should I say, for the hairstyle. So the hair I'm going to be using, the extension is this kind of kinky texture. I don't know what the name is. It was kind of given to us as a present, so I didn't buy it, but it comes in bundles. But I'm still going to use it anyway to kind of do my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is pack my hair into a bun. And if you are the kind of person where your hair is too short for all your strands to be packed up into a bun, then I suggest either tucking it under strands that are in the bun or in the bubble, or using a bobby pin to kind of secure it in place. I'm just going to speed it up. When I'm packing up, I like to kind of secure the ends so that it's not sticking out, so that the actual attachment or extension can be secured. So now I'm going to go on to wrapping the extension around my hair, or my little bun. I use two because just to create a bigger, fuller bun on my head. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck the ends underneath the hair and secure it with bobby pins. So with the bobby pins, what I like to do is one side will go into my actual hair or twist, and the other end of the bobby pin will go into the extension so that it kind of holds it in place. I'm just kind of trying to make it more even here. So now I'm showing you how I do it, where one end will go into my hair, the other end will go into the extension. And I like these bobby pins because they actually are pretty much secure when you use them. I used to think that, the other ones, the flat bobby pins, are better, but especially for hairstyles like this type of bobby pin is a lot easier to use. And if you know that you're going to be doing a lot of movement, for me, when it's a Sunday, I know I do a lot of movement there, so that's where I add a lot of bobby pins in my hair to ensure that it kind of stays in place and doesn't fall out. But when I do it around the base of my hair, it usually stays, and it doesn't unravel or anything like that. So I'm just showing you how it looks around my hair. Sorry for the lighting, guys. It's a bit dark, but you get the idea. Just bear with me. And this is the other side. And my ends are all secure. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use the bandana to wrap around the perimeter of my hair, just like an accessory. If if I don't want to kind of put gel on my hair I just kind of want to add a bit of oomph to my styles, to my outfit, then I'll use the bandana. So I'm just showing you how I put it on my hair. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a single knot twice and then tuck in the ends. Right now I'm just kind of figuring out how I want it. Usually I like doing it off the center, so towards one side. Sometimes I do it in the middle, but I prefer it towards one side. And then I tuck in the ends like so. Also with using a bandana, I would advise not to make it too tight because that can affect your edges and how your edges are growing, because your edges are obviously fragile. So don't do it too tight. I used to do my bandana so tight that it would really affect my edges. So onto the next style. What I'm going to do is just remove. What the next style is going to be space buns or side buns or whatever they call it. I think there's two different types of hairstyles that are similar, or either it's the same hairstyle, just called different things regardless. Me doing a little dance, anyway. So I just wanted to give you a quick tip, a quick hack in terms of how you store your bubbles. I use this. It's a ring that was on revision cards that I got from Wilco's. What I saw online was like these, these clips that mountain climbers use. That's what I saw that people use to kind of hold their bubbles when they want to transport it, to use as like a portable holder. But I couldn't find it at the time, so I decided to use this because that's what I had on hand. But that's where I keep my bubbles, and I put it in my bag and I take it out, so that my bubbles aren't like everywhere at the base of my bag or in my pockets, things like that. So it's just an easy way for me to transport my bubbles and to keep them safe, and in a place where I'll be able to get to them and access them a lot easier. But this is basically what it looks like, how it opens and closes. It's a simple snap mechanism, but that's basically it. I'll put a picture also to the side of what the other clip looks like. I know I used to find them in Poundland, but for some reason I don't see them in Poundland anymore. That's what it looks like. I hope you guys can see that. I think it's just because of the lighting that my camera is struggling to really pick up or focus properly. So this is how I basically put, it's self-explanatory how I put the bubbles in, and then I just snap it closed after I've put all my bubbles in. Lasso. Okay, so onto the hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it into two and make mini buns on each side of my head, like I'm showing you right now. Again, making sure that my ends are tucked away, just making sure it's also centered, and ends again tucked away. So what I'm going to do is with the extension, this is how it comes in the pack with the bubbles, and that's how it looks at the top end. So I decided to just kind of leave the bubble in just because I know I'm not going to use it anytime soon, and I didn't want to remove it. So yeah, that's why that's why I left the bubble in. But I'm not going out with it, so I don't need to remove the bubble right now. So what I'm doing is the same technique as I used for the first hairstyle. I just twist it, tuck the ends under, and then secure with the bobby pins. Again, if you know you're going to be doing a lot of movement, then put more bobby pins, especially in those places where it feels a bit loose or hair is sticking out. And I love you doing this hairstyle with chopsticks. I didn't actually do it on here. Maybe I'll do another video of basically me putting chopsticks in. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but I like sticking chopsticks in my hair just to kind of look, cute. Me just showing you, and then I'm gonna use the bandana again to just accessorize the hairstyle. Tuck in the ends as well, and there you have it, quick and simple. You could always leave your hair already pre-packed so that in the morning before you set off to uni you just kind of wrap the extension on. This is basically what I do when I'm in uni, when I was in uni. But yes guys, that is it.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye lovelies.